Hey, good to see you. Welcome to our YouTube channel TechZone Info News. Apple will allow users to delete its most valuable app. Apple has announced that it will allow users in the European Union to delete the App Store, as well as other pre-installed apps such as Messages, Photos, Camera, and Safari, by the end of the year. This move aligns with the European Union's Digital Markets Act, which aims to foster competition in the digital market. The change will only apply within the EU and represents a significant shift in Apple's control over its ecosystem. The App Store is a critical component of Apple's business model, as it regulates the availability of apps on iOS devices and generates substantial revenue through its in-app purchase policies. Allowing users to delete it could reduce Apple's influence over customer experience and revenue streams, potentially leading to new privacy and security challenges. Moreover, Apple will introduce a new browser choice screen for EU users, which could have financial implications for Apple, as Google currently pays a substantial amount to be the default search engine on Apple's devices. This decision marks a major concession by Apple in response to regulatory pressure and could pave the way for a more competitive mobile landscape within the EU. Soon, Europeans will be able to make a choice between 12 different browsers. The well-known Chrome browser from Google is in the list, along with Apple's own Safari, but so are lesser-known apps like Opera, Edge from Microsoft, You from SUSE, Firefox from Mozilla, DuckDuckGo from the privacy-focused web search company, Brave, and Browser from Maple Media App. Browsers with more than 5,000 installs across all the EU App Store storefronts last year are eligible to appear on the screen. The biggest news, however, is Apple enabling deletion of the App Store. Currently, it's the only really viable way to get new applications onto an iPhone or iPad. That's all for now. We'll join you soon with new information. Bye-bye.